Hello everybody, we're in Skipsea. Yeah, we finally made it to Skipsea. I've parked at Mr. Moo's ice cream parlour. Now we're going to go down to this 1 kilometre path to beach. Like posted. There's Lupin. He's happy to be out on a day like this. It's a windy one, I'm not going to lie to you. It's a very windy day. But I've finally got a mic. I finally got an actual proper mic with a little fluffy hat on it, which hopefully, pray tell, it will black out all this horrible wind. So we'll see. It should probably be absolutely wonderful, won't it? So yeah, this is a path down to the beach. Skipsea, the actual town, is back the way I came. So we will go and explore the actual little village of Skipsea, not a town. Could be a town, I'm pretty sure it's a village. There's Lupin. Lupin is absolutely good. Every time I put the camera to him, he has a wee. Rude, Lupin. Rude. It was sunny earlier. It was quite warm earlier, but now it feels cool here down by the seaside. It's not as sunny now, which for me is not a problem. So here it's a caravan park, so you can actually stay here should you wish. I'm not sure if you can camp. I don't think you can, it just seems to be a caravan pitch. So here, Skipsea ROC post, Royal Observer Corps posts. From April 1941 was a civilian organisation operating between 1925 and December 95. Wow, that's recent. So there's lots of spotting posts here. Working together with Historic England. Interior of a ROC underground monitoring post. So we might be able to see the remnants of these. It's the beginning of summer with lots of caravans already here. Getting out before the summer holidays start with the school. Lupin's already rolling in something. But, dread to think what. Come on! We're not going to end up in a similar situation to Warren Percy, where he was covered in cow manure, which was fun. Check that out if you haven't already. Go watch my Warren Percy video where I visit a deserted medieval village. Where is Skipsea? So Skipsea is about a 25-minute drive away from Driffield, and it is south of Bridlington. A few cows. I would get a bit closer, but we are defended by a defensive wall of nettles, which I'm in shorts today, so I'm not exactly going to traverse that for obvious reasons. So we're no longer tree lined. I'm lined by this large hedge to my left. Come on, Lupin. Speaking of Mr. Moo's, we will probably go there later. Have a coffee or something. Can I beat the shortbread that I had at Pocklington? Can I find a better shortbread? Maybe that needs to become a thing with these videos. Can I find a better shortbread than the shortbread I had at Pocklington? I doubt it, because that was the best. Probably the best pudding ever. Is this one of the POC places? Dutch. Oh, that's nice. That's Lovely. Don't drop your camera, Graham. Yeah. Just become a giant bin, basically. Lupin's finding it all very interesting. Come on, Lupin, we're nearly at the beach. PLC thing up here, but it's probably just empty and full of rubbish like the other one was. I mean, I'll take you to it. So let's see what's in here. Is it just a completely hollow space that's full of rubbish? Yeah, it is. But it's a bit of history, isn't it? So I survived the trip on to the actual beach. It's not bad, to be fair. So I believe that is Brid all the way up there. And Flamborough just next to Brid. Down there you have Spurn Point and Hornsey. So Skipsea is very much in between Hornsey and Brid. Lupin is not a fan of getting too deep with the water. He happily has a little paddle of this sort of depth, but otherwise he does tend to avoid it like the plague. Don't you, Lupin? Yes you do, because you're a good boy. Gonna head back towards path to East. Spurn Point is worth having a look at. It proper stretches pretty far into the North Sea, but don't get cut off. When we went to Spurn Point, we ended up getting carted back in like this military bus, which was pretty cool. Saved us the journey back. So yeah, just don't get cut off if you go to Spurn Point. I may head there in future. It's obviously a bit further away than Skipsea, but it's worth having a look at. Lupin's absolutely loving this beach. Lots of things to sniff. Lots of things to investigate. Go on, Lupin. He's a good boy. You're after some fossils, Lupin. If you go to the beach at Ravenscar, Robiners Bay, you can find fossils. I'm not sure if there's any on this beach. Definitely see the erosion there. that bit has just completely fallen away from there. Not safe at all, is it? He loves rolling in things, and now he's got himself tangled up. Stand by. What are you eating? I think he picked up some crab, but has since abandoned the whole idea. Right. Mr. Moose Touring Park is what it's called. Featured site 2022 on ukcampsite.co.uk. So this is the caravan park at Mr. Moose. I'm not going to go in because I don't want to be filming people's caravans. Yeah, looks like it's got everything you need. You've got a welcome pack, which you collect on arrival. So yeah, so Percy's paddock is adults only. Yeah, you've got facilities, you've got toilets and showers, electric hookups, water points, chemical waste points, motorhome service point. Yeah, you got pretty much everything you need. You can even scan by using the QR code down there. Happy days. I've stopped for a bite to eat. I've gone for a Laverack's pasty. Not sure what that is. I'll look it up. And a cappuccino and some shortbread. Of course, I've got some shortbread. It's in a packet though, so that's not going to stand it in good stead against the one at Pocklington, but I'll give it a go and we'll see what it's like. So yeah, I've gone for a Laverack's pasty at Mr. Moose. That's pretty good. And a staple cappuccino. But I've also got, wait for it, a shortbread. So we'll see what that's like and how it measures up to the one at Pocklington. So a cappuccino, Laverack's pasty and a millionaire's slice. Just over a tenner. Standard. Not bad. Let's see what it's like. Good stuff. Let's try the Laverack pasty. Pasty, superb. It's nice and hot as well, they can heat it up for you. Cappuccino. Spot on as well. Lovely stuff. Good work, Mr. Moose. Happy little lunch. I love Laverack's pasty, by the way. I don't know if it's the same as Cornish pasty, but the answer to that question is right here. This was made by Yorkshire Flapjack. That is really, really nice. I do think it's starting to rain a little bit, but we'll persevere. It'll be fine, I'm sure. And the cappuccino was good too, so Mr. Moose, grand job. Nice walk to the beach, nice walk back. 2 kilometres round trip. Grab yourself a pasty and a coffee. Lovely, lovely stuff. So let's go explore Skipsea Castle. So welcome to Skipsea Castle. This is going to be exciting, isn't it? Back in the car. Sorry. What's the point in that? Like, oh, let's advertise a castle. Nothing there, just a mound of earth. I mean, should I have walked on further, see if there's anything? Probably not, because if you can advertise a castle, if there's nothing there, why don't advertise it? Silly. Let's go look around Skipsea town. War Memorial there, the Great War. This church looks a bit decorated today. I don't know if there's something going down. Not falling down that trap again like I did at Pocklington. I ended up going down a very nice looking road and it ends up being someone's house. Flower festival. Olympic themed flower festival. I don't know why it's become a tradition on these videos to walk around churches, but why not, eh? I will of course put information about this church on. This looks older than the one at Pocklington. So yeah, I had a look around the flower festival. It was cute. I don't like to film inside church. I don't know, it just don't feel right filming in there. So, but yeah, it was nice little community feel to it. So yeah, lovely jubbly. Nice from Skipsea. So it looks like that way goes to Brid. So no, oh god, looping, no, out. Whoops. So let's see. So the other way goes to Brid. I'm not sure where this goes. Free cabinet, anybody? Free?